Hey yo guys, what up? Welcome to Daily Trend. So I'm going to be dropping the video where Burna Boy was talking about Rema, and this guy was raining praises on Rema, and it was like when he sees Rema, he sees himself, and Rema is going to do a whole lot. And you remember previously Rema has rained praises on Burna Boy too. In fact, he previously said he listens to Burna Boy and he sings like Burna Boy. Like if there was one artist he wants to be like, it's actually Burna Boy. So I'm going to be dropping videos for you, and tell me what you think about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Thanks.
I told them Rema. Guys, so bro, I told you I couldn't believe it. You know this is my first time meeting you. Bro, this is me, bro. I like this. I'm not in one-on-one, not in real life. Bro, this first time I see him, I'm like, wow, this nigga is me. Like, I swear to God, we talk. Nah, that boy's gonna go so far. So far. Yeah. King!
Full respect, man.